Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Here you can see we have a login and sign up option. Now let's say I want to log in as a normal user, and that is Tanvir, and if I log in it should keep me inside home page. And here you can see I'm logged in, right? So I shouldn't it shouldn't show here login and sign up option. It should show here dashboard, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the home, index.blade.php, and here I'm going to check that the user is authenticated or not. The user is logged in or not. If logged in, then we will not show these two options here. We'll just show the dashboard here. And when we log in, you can see that we directly go to the dashboard, right? So we don't want to actually go directly to the dashboard. We want to actually keep our user after login. We want to keep our user inside home page. In home page after login. Then if they want to go to the dashboard, then they can actually click on the dashboard, then they can come to this page. So to do this, we have to actually go for the app, then HTTP, okay, then auth. Here you can see auth, and then go for the registered user controller. When the registration will be done, then where the user will be gone. So you can see return redirect, it's showing me a dashboard, right? We should give here a name, route name. Let's say I want to say here name of the route, let's say home, or I'll say index route, okay? So it should actually go index. So I'm going to say here index. So it will actually go for the index. And so authenticated session controller, we have to go there, and session destroyed. Okay, here you can see we have here store. We just have to actually go for the store function. You can see authenticated session, and here you can actually say the route name is index, right? We have created here index route, okay, and done. And now let me check other process also. So this is verify email controller, and from here also we'll actually send him to the index. Okay, then register controller index, password reset. We can actually password controller. We don't need to change here. Okay, we have to actually change here. Okay, so I'm going to say index, and here we have route, so I'm going to say index. That's it. Okay, now let's go log out. Now let's say I want to log in as normal user. It should keep me inside home page. Here you can see currently I'm inside home page, right? So I want to actually show here a dashboard option, so that people or normal user can actually go to the dashboard, right? If it is admin, then admin can actually go to the admin dashboard. So I'm going to actually check here that if the user is authenticated, then we will not show login and sign up here. Instead of login and sign up, we will show dashboard. Okay, so how to do this, we will actually check at first. I'm going to remove all of them from here. So let's remove all of them from here. And this is the index file. So we will actually go for the resources, then views, okay, then we have to go for the index, and inside index we will check for the header. Here you can see header, and we have here two route. One is for the login, one is for the registration, and here I'm going to actually check auth. Okay, so I'm going to check here auth. I will say if for this I have to actually use blade syntax, because this is a blade file. Here you can see, so I have to use here add if I'm going to say here that auth : check. Okay, and if authenticated, then we'll actually show dashboard. Okay, so we'll show here dashboard. I'm going to say dashboard. So the route will be, let me copy it, paste it here. Okay, and this one would be dashboard, and the route name would be dashboard. because we have a dashboard route also, right? Here you can see dashboard, and we'll use here else. So at else, it will actually show here sign up, and after that we'll actually end if here. Okay, that's it. Now let's go and check. If I refresh, here you can see we have only dashboard. If I click on dashboard, I am currently in the user dashboard. Here you can see. Now let's say I want to log out, and now it should show login and sign up option. Perfect. So now let's say I want to log in. I want to log in as admin. Login. It should keep me in the home page, and here you can see there is no login and registration option, and we have here dashboard option. If I click on dashboard, currently I'm in admin dashboard. So it's working perfectly. If this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.